All right, let's see what this is. It looks pretty legit. I'll guess that it's cake. The heck? That's soap. But it looks like cake. It's too much. When you cut it open, the reveal looks like cake, but it's actually soap. This is too much. Yeah, if that's cake, we have a problem. I'm Mikey Day, and this is the Men's Health Grooming Awards. We're playing Is It Soap? Everything on this table is either soap or cake. I haven't been told what's what, so I'm very confused. So is this all soap here? It looks good. Is that a real croissant? That's a croissant. What do we think this is? Oh, that's a real donut. I thought everything was soap or cake. Let's see what this donut's all about. Well, that's gotta be soap. I'm gonna use the mallet, because that's soap. Oh, that's soap. That's soap. If that's cake, that's bad cake. Yep, that is soap. Yeah, baby. Let's move on to the cheese. Oh my god, I think that's cheese. Yep, that's cheese. If the show was called Is It Cheese, I'd vomit. Yep, that's aged cheese, folks. What about this cheese? This looks like a little cute cartoon cheese. I think this is soap. Yep, that's soap. We've got fragrant soap and aged cheese. What kind of cheese is this? Blue cheese? I'm not a fan of blue cheese. Why don't we try this soap? I'm gonna guess this is cake. High risk, high reward. Now this looks like soap, so I'm gonna gamble that this is cake. Cake! So that's not soap. Thank God. Let's go with the raw meat. I would wash with meat soap, simply because I'd be in admiration of the construction of this. So let's see what we're dealing with. I'm getting a meat smell. Yeah, that's just meat. The cheese, the meat, the cake. Thank God I didn't bite into that. I think this is cake and that is real cream. Should we try? Ready? Okay, so that's shaving cream. The bowl is a real bowl that I just broke. Sorry, Men's Health. You have to pay for that. Now let's see what this is. Now I think this is cake. Well, that was real cream and a real bowl. So of the bowls of cream, they were both real. None of them was a fun piece of cake. All right, we're moving on. We got some fruit here. Let's see what this... That's an orange. There's a lot of food that is what it actually looks like. All right, let's see what's going on with the lemons. Yo, this is all just fruit. What's the budget on this? $11? Here we got a little tiny lemon. Now this lemon looks weird to me, so I think this is something. Yep, that's soap. See, the thing about soap is when you cut into it, it's just solid. It's not fun and cakey. This game needs to be workshopped. Finally, do we think this is soap, cake, or an actual microphone? I don't know, there's so much weird stuff here. Wait a hot second. It's solid blue. That's soap. I'll land on a high risk, because this could be either cake or soap. So I'm gonna pick it up quickly and take a bite. Because when you pick it up, you kind of can feel, it kind of gives it away, especially if it's soap, because it's heavy and smells of soap. So here we go. We ready? I'm just gonna take a bite. That's soap! No, I'm just kidding. That's cake. All right, we've had a lot of fun. I'm Mikey Day. This is a lot of real stuff, cake, and soap. Thank you. I'm gonna go wash my hands and dry heave into a trash can. Bye.